Subscribe in Author's channel, Automotive Area channel, click link at description. Welcome to Motorcycle News channel. Engine mods give the 2019 Triumph Thruxton TFC considerably more power than the Thruxton R. Inside the motor you'll find high compression pistons, a new comp profile, updated porting, and lighter components. The result is a 10 horsepower bump. Though Triumph isn't yet saying at what engine speed, the torque peak boost is a modest 2.4 feet-per-pound to 85 feet-per-pound at 4,850 revolutions per minute, 100 revolutions per minute sooner than the Thruxton R, though Triumph claims a punch of torque both low down and across the entire rev range. The motor also gets 3 TFC-specific power modes with customizable ABS and traction control. Suspension is seriously upgraded, with fully adjustable Öhlins units. A Öhlins Next 30-43mm inverted cartridge fork gets the nod. There will be 7502019 Triumph Thruxton TFC motorcycles built, with 200 coming to the United States at a price of $21,500. Each Thruxton TFC is bagged and numbered, plus owners get a numbered letter signed by Triumph CEO Nick Bloor. There is no set release date, but you will not likely be able to take delivery of a Thruxton TFC before May 2019.